Well, we're finally here. The weekend everybody puts in the calendar and waits for. The Edencraft Marlin escape up here in Eden. This is a very special place for Edencraft. This is the spiritual home of Edencraft. This is where Edencraft was first made, and it's a very special place to all of us. And just getting up here is so good. No. Woohoo!
So we've just arrived at our annual Edencraft Escape to Eden. It's a weekend that we absolutely cherish as a family and as a company because it's a moment that we get to sort of reflect back on where we came from and why we do what we do here at Edencraft, and that is all about creating an experience for our staff, our customers and their families. So it's just an epic weekend. We've got, I think, about 20 boats here this weekend, 80 people, 20 of our staff, and yeah, we're all just absolutely pumped, ready to enjoy this Labor Day long weekend.
We've been coming for 4 years now, and yeah, just the whole Edencraft crew, great bunch of people. Couldn't ask for a better company. Everyone's happy to answer questions. If you've got any questions, then yeah, it's just a good vibe all around, really.
No, it's good spending time with the Edencraft crew, and yeah, the beers are cold, people are nice, and the food's always good.
Yeah, definitely.
But yeah, they sure know how to put on a good weekend.
Yeah, well, we finally got our first marlin this year, so 4 years in the making. We managed to hook 4 on land too, so yeah, I was pretty stoked. Yeah, we were pretty happy in the boat, weren't we?
Yeah.
High fives all around, and yeah, it was great. Great feeling, finally.
Fair bit of excitement going on. Like, we have popped a few off on the trace now, which has been a bit difficult watching them swim away right at the boat. But yeah, touching that bill, it gets you hooked pretty quick.
And yeah, finally got my first marlin, and also got my brother his first marlin. Absolutely unbelievable. There's nothing like it. Just the jump, the adrenaline that runs through, the yelling, the screaming, the hugs, the kisses after it. You just can't beat it. You just can't beat it.
Never seen a marlin jump, never seen a marlin in the water swimming till today. Finally got the first one. Oh, these events make the place worth, like, best place to work at, really. Like, you'll have your good and bad days, but in the end, like, you get to do stuff like this.
Now this is my 5th year of meeting up with everyone, the friends, the friendship, the laughs, the jokes, the banter. It's just awesome coming up here every year and just catching up with everyone. And it's not just me, it's also my wife. She's made friends with all the other partners, and it's not just about me, but it's about everyone that comes up here. We're just a really good, close group.
Managed to get out in the water and not just catch my first one, but first 2 marlin.
How was that?
Bloody ripper. Time for a beer now.
How's the fight?
I was told I can't have a beer till I catch a fish, and I just done it, so we're on. I primarily spearfish, and we did get a chance to jump in at the fad here too, and jagged a nice 9.5 kilo dolphin fish, so very, very happy with that. 30 metre viz. We're running in 20 plus knot winds and 2 metre swell, so it was certainly a bit of fun out there, that's for sure.
Let's go catch some marlin. Troy's never caught one before, right? Never. First marlin today for Troy, that's the plan. Good to go. Let's go and see if he can whine.
He's still going. Woo!
Yeah, Troy! Yeah, buddy!
Thoughts?
Yeah, totally awesome. Having a good arvo. A lot of fish here. Go get him down, Josh. Go straight at him.
That's the ball! That's the ball!
Wow, what a weekend. It was one for the books, this one. We got so lucky with the fishing and the weather's been really good for us. I don't think we've ever had so many people catch their first timers catch marlin. I think we had 11 first timers catch their marlin. I had 4 people on my boat that had never seen a marlin before. We got 11 for the weekend, so it's just been awesome. Heaps of fun fishing in the bay, plenty of flathead and some dolphin fish out on the fad. It's just been an absolutely awesome one. We had a few brand new owners with their boats. They just picked them up last week and come and get to put them out here and use them for the first time. So it's been really special, and I already can't wait for next year.